Hi there, my name is Sharon and I help network marketers and small businesses get seen, loved and selling using social media and YouTube. And I create order books, consultant books, leader books. I do everything to help make life a little bit easier for consultants to move the business forward. And today I have created a couple of new books. These ones are brilliant for those who are in Neals yarn Remedies. So we have this design. So you can see the front, and then there's the back, and then I also have the blue bottles on this one as well. Okay, so I'm going to actually do a little screen share so you can see the inside of the books as well. So you get in total 111 pages. 100 of those are orders, but they're double orders. So you get 200 orders in total. And also for the first 11 pages, those are for your month-end tracking. So you can track orders, carry the balance forward, so you can sort your accounts out for month-end. They are $6.99 on Amazon. I am going to drop the links below for both designs. And they measure, the RA5, they measure 6.69 inches by 9.61. They are a fantastic size, as you can see. And this is just a normal smaller book. And as you can see, that is the difference in the size. So this one's like your standard notebook size. So they are more, it's a royal, they're called a royal size. So let me do a little screen share and I'll show you the inside of the books. So there we are. You can see now the two book designs. So let's have a little look in the floral one. In fact, I'll turn them both over so you can see the back sides of them as well. So there you go. You can see we've got like some nice little designs on there. This is more of a watercolor. The covers are waxy. They are not a high gloss. So they've got a really nice waxy feel to them as well. Okay, and then you can see the bottle one as well. Right, let's have a little look inside them so you get a good idea of what you're going to get. So your first page is where you can date your orders. So, you know, was this order start in September, October, November? And then you can start to number your orders and track them. So for example, when you come to the number 24, you're going to put the date of the order, the name, who ordered it and how much. And then as you can see, you can total income and you carry it forward onto the next page. So as I say, with these numbers, you simply transfer them throughout all your order sheets. So this could be number 23, number 24. And as you can see on here, you get a section it's really good to know where your business comes from. So you can tick, where did they place the order from? Was it from Instagram? Was it from Facebook? Was it from Twitter? Or was it from Snapchat? How did they pay? Was it through PayPal? Was it through your bank? Or was it through the internet, through your website? So you can track everything on here. Are you posting the order? Are they collecting it? Are you delivering it? Put all your little notes in, tally it all up, and then transfer that figure over to there. And that's it. And this book is exactly the same. It has the same 200 orders. So you get 100 pages and then you get your extra to make up the 111 in these this section too. So that's the front, that's the back. Again, that's the front and that's the back. So if you do want to go ahead and place an order, then as I say, I'll put the links below and just place your order.